What's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube live. As you can see, it's a wonderful day. The sun's out, the sun's shining and everything. Yeah man. So cool and peaceful at the same time. So I just thought I'll do a live today. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification. Yeah man. I'm feeling alive. Yeah man. Yes people, so gonna see how long we can stay on the live for. You know, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification. Show as much support as possible. 100 RoadWaveRecords, you get me? Yeah man. Place nice and cool today. Yeah man. Sun's out but it's cool. Get me? Nice vibes. Yeah man. I don't know what's wrong with the YouTube algorithm, but YouTube not pushing out my content like it used to, you get me? So I'm not getting any views and things like that. I have to go live. Yeah. I have to go live. Yeah man, make sure to thumbs up the videos so more people can see. I love that cool breeze. Don't know if y'all can hear it. It's cool and nice, you get me? Yeah. I've got a copyright strike, so I don't know if it's that why YouTube not pushing out my content, because I got a copyright strike. So probably that's the reason why they're not pushing out my content. Because of the copyright strike. But you know, I'll get over it. I'll get over it, you get me? Just 2 more months, and then our channel is back, you get me? Just 2 more months and the channel is back, you get me? Yeah man. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Much love, 100. Finally you can send gifts. You can send gifts, you get me? You can send gifts on YouTube live now, so if you all got any gifts, make sure to send a gift, you get me? But YouTube not really pushing out my content. This trial and tribulation. Yeah, man. So it's pointless if we're not getting any viewers, you get me? So pointless. Yeah, man. We've been live for about 5 minutes and we only got like 2 viewers. It's that bad, you know. The algorithm not pushing out my content, you know. I wish you could feel this cool wind that's blowing. It's very cool and nice. Yeah, man. YouTube giving me a fight. YouTube giving me a real fight at the moment. Just not pushing out my content. So at the moment no one's watching, you get me? Yeah, man. Let's stay live for about 10 minutes and see what goes on. Yeah, man. See you the pre. Thanks for thumbsing up the live. So I guess I'll stay live for a bit longer, you get me? Because YouTube not really pushing out my content, you know. I've been struggling with this channel for about 3 years. 3 years now, you get me? And I'm still struggling with the channel even though I'm monetized. Yeah. So that's what's up, you get me? Yeah, man. You can finally send gifts on YouTube. You can finally send gifts. So if y'all have any gifts, just send me, please. Really appreciate it. 100. Yeah, man. It's a peaceful day, nice and relaxing. Hope everyone's enjoying it. Wherever you are watching, you get me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Some nice cool wind blowing at the moment. Nice and cool and relaxing. Yeah, man. Make sure to thumbs up the video so that more viewers can see it. We've been live for almost 10 minutes now. We've been live for almost 10 minutes and we only got a few viewers. We should be getting more viewers than this, but because of the copyright strike that I got, I'm getting less viewers, you get me? But that will be fixed within 2 months, you get me? Whenever my channel whenever my channel fix, you get me? That will be regained in 2 months. Get rid of the copyright strike, you get me? Yeah, man. Thanks for thumbsing up the video. really appreciate it. Yeah. Welcome to RoadWave Records. It's been a while, everyone, so I'm just trying to get to know my viewers. So leave a comment, share the live, and show some support so I can get to know my viewers more. You get me? 100. Yeah, man. It's 11 o'clock in the morning now, almost 12 o'clock. And we're here chilling, holding our vibes. You get me? Yeah, man. Peaceful day. Today's Thursday, innit? Today, Thursday. Yeah, man. Tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, man. I wish there could be some way that I could play music on YouTube. I could play music, but I have to use a next phone. Yeah, man. If there's a way for me to play music, that would really be great. So that I could just relax and play some music while I live stream. But I got a next phone. You know. I got a Samsung Galaxy S23. So I could play music on that, but I would get copyright strike, you get me? So I could play like beats on that, you get me? Even though this is a beats channel. Yeah, so I could play like beats and listen to the instrumentals, you get me? Yeah, man. The sun's cool down now, the sun's cooling down now, so the place just nice and relaxing, you get me? Place cool and everything. Yeah, man, as you can see, the sun's coming out again. That's it with the weather. Yeah, man. Make sure to share the live, everyone. I would really appreciate it. Much love, you get me? RoadWaveRecords. Yeah, man. So we've been live now for about 12, 13 minutes. We've been live for 13 minutes. Thanks to the viewers who's watching at the moment. You get me? We're in Portland, Jamaica. Yeah, man. As you can see, I'm just on my veranda chilling, holding our vibes. Yeah, man. See pretty. Yeah. Don't do like me, I smoke, you get me? So don't do like me. Smoking costs a lot of money. Yeah, man. So please don't do like me. Yeah, man. If you wanna smoke, you got to work, you get me? Got to work and bring in your own funds, you get me? Yeah, man. YouTube not really pushing out my content as it used to because of the copyright strike. Yeah, man. But it's all good. I'll just stay live and hold a vibe, you get me? Yeah. Think I'm gonna go quad riding. You know, quad. The moped. Think I'm gonna go on a moped soon, you get me? Yeah, man, do some quad riding. At the moment I'm using my iPhone to live stream. This is not my Samsung Galaxy, it's my iPhone, you get me? Yeah man. And one of the speaker is a bit damaged. So I hope you all hearing me properly. Don't forget y'all can comment as well. Yeah. YouTube should push out the live stream more, man. Yeah man, we should get like a lot more views. Yeah man, think I'm gonna end the live now. Everyone, really appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. 100. Yeah man, a ton, you know.